Hi everybody, welcome to another update on the stock screener. Today we're going to talk about Trillion Energy. Um, the chart looks very good. It's still in an uptrend, has declined a bit, but I think this will keep on rising. But I wanted to show you something interesting. So Dr. Anas has done a Twitter Space seminar, and I want you to listen to the following.
First of all, regarding natural gas in particular, we released an article yesterday on natural gas prices in Europe. It is on Substack for those who would like to review it. And in it, basically, we are literally predicting, and this is one of our staff who is a big expert on these issues, the that the predictions for next winter basically are really bad. I mean, that's what the bottom line is. That the possibility of really high prices and probably record-breaking prices are there. So this is not the end of the story, and you are right about bringing this up. Uh,
So he's talking about record-breaking prices in Europe for the natural gas price. So that's what I have drawn here. So this is the record, and Dr. Anas is saying that one of his consultants is predicting that we will see at least very high prices for the next winter. So that means that EU gas should do something like this, right? While currently it's still very low. So how does this look like actually on a storage basis? Let's take a look at the AGSI data. So you can look at this each day. Currently, the storage withdrawal is still below average. But if Dr. Anas is right, then this number here, 2023, should be going higher and above the average. So somewhere here then. And that would mean that the 2023 storage would start declining very fast and reach a low here at the end of this year. And heading into the winter, it will go lower. And that will give a spike in natural gas prices, the TTF price, of course, and it will go up. Now, this is a call option. I'm not sure if it will happen, but Dr. Anas is someone you should not ignore. So, what's the current situation? So, it looks like the commodities are headed down, but oil is starting to bottom out. So, we have China reopening. Demand is going to pick up. Um, the winter is coming. Freeport is reopening. India is high in demand for oil. So I think we are at a pivot point. Um, if the outlook is correct uh, with regards of the EU gas price, then this should go up during the next winter and probably pull up US gas with it because they always go together. You can see that here, they always go together because of the LNG market. So I think it's looking very good for the end of this year or the second half of this year. And when you look at the valuations for Trillion Energy, the price here at highs is around 50. So let's take 50 MCF, $50 per MCF. That's around here. Yeah, 68 between here and here. So if you look at the valuation, 5 times free cash flow, then I think we should be able to get to 3 billion for 5 times free cash flow basis. Um, of course, this is only if they can keep production going because there's a decline rate. But by by the end of this year in the winter, they will have drilled upon this level, so halfway through. So production should be much higher than it is right now. They only have 2 wells now, but by the winter it should be much higher. So I think phase A should be done by then. That's the blue line, that's phase A. So let's say what's the free cash flow? The free cash flow is this divided by 5. So 3 billion divided by 5, it's around 600 million that they will get in about a year. So 600 million, and currently the price is only, let's say, 200 million. So that's an easy triple by the end of this year, I think, when the prices are going to spike upwards, like Dr. Anas is telling us. So I'm very excited to see if this is going to happen. Let's keep on watching this data. This green line should at some point go above the average. If that happens, then EU gas prices will spike again. And then Trillion Energy will go to the value of a double, a triple by the winter. So that was the update that I wanted to give. Something to think about. I'll see you in the next video.